Wake up, wake up, meaning stop sleeping, stop sleeping. I usually wake up around 6:30 without an alarm. I usually wake up around 6:30 without an alarm. Get up, meaning rise from bed, rise from bed. It's hard to get up when it's still dark outside. It's hard to get up when it's still dark outside. Turn off, meaning stop a device from working, stop a device from working. I turn off my alarm as fast as I can. I turn off my alarm as fast as I can. Roll over, meaning turn your body to the side, turn your body to the side. I roll over and try to sleep 5 more minutes. I roll over and try to sleep 5 more minutes. Doze off, meaning fall asleep again, fall asleep again. I sometimes doze off after turning off my alarm. I sometimes doze off after turning off my alarm. Lie in, meaning stay in bed longer than usual, stay in bed longer than usual. On Sundays, I like to lie in for a while. On Sundays, I like to lie in for a while. Stretch out, meaning extend your body after resting, extend your body after resting. I stretch out my arms and legs before getting up. I stretch out my arms and legs before getting up. Throw off, meaning remove something quickly, remove something quickly. I throw off the blanket and head to the bathroom. I throw off the blanket and head to the bathroom. Freshen up, meaning quickly wash to feel clean, quickly wash to feel clean. I freshen up before making breakfast. I freshen up before making breakfast. Brush off, meaning remove debris by brushing, remove debris by brushing. I brush off some lint from my shirt. I brush off some lint from my shirt. Rinse out, meaning clean with water, clean with water. I rinse out my mouth after brushing my teeth. I rinse out my mouth after brushing my teeth. Turn on, meaning activate a device, activate a device. I turn on the shower and wait for it to heat up. I turn on the shower and wait for it to heat up. Step in, meaning enter a place, enter a place. I step in the shower carefully. I step in the shower carefully. Dry off, meaning remove water from the body. Remove water from the body. I dry off with a towel after showering. I dry off with a towel after showering. Clean out. Clean out. Meaning thoroughly clean inside. Thoroughly clean inside. I clean out the sink when I see hair in it. I clean out the sink when I see hair in it. Put on. Put on. Meaning wear clothing. Wear clothing. I put on my favourite hoodie every morning. I put on my favourite hoodie every morning. Take off. Take off. Meaning remove clothing. Remove clothing. I take off my pyjamas and toss them on the bed. I take off my pyjamas and toss them on the bed. Zip up. Zip up. Meaning fasten with a zip. Fasten with a zip. I zip up my hoodie when it's cold. I zip up my hoodie when it's cold. Button up. Button up. Meaning fasten with buttons. Fasten with buttons. I button up my shirt before leaving the house. I button up my shirt before leaving the house. Throw on. Throw on. Meaning wear something quickly. Wear something quickly. I throw on some clothes because I'm running late. I throw on some clothes because I'm running late. Slip on. Slip on. Meaning put on quickly and easily. Put on quickly and easily. I slip on my shoes near the door. I slip on my shoes near the door. Pick out. Pick out. Meaning choose something. Choose something. I pick out my outfit the night before. I pick out my outfit the night before. Look over. Look over. Meaning quickly check. Quickly check. I look over my clothes for stains. I look over my clothes for stains. Heat up. Heat up. Meaning make food warm. Make food warm. I heat up some leftovers for breakfast. I heat up some leftovers for breakfast. Pour out. Pour out. Meaning transfer liquid. Transfer liquid. I pour out some juice into a glass. I pour out some juice into a glass. Cut up. Cut up. Meaning chop into pieces. Chop into pieces. I cut up some fruit to add to my cereal. I cut up some fruit to add to my cereal. Whip up. Whip up. Meaning make something quickly. Make something quickly. I whip up a quick omelette when I have time. I whip up a quick omelette when I have time. Run out of. Run out of. Meaning no longer have something, no longer have something. I run out of milk almost every week. I run out of milk almost every week. Set out, set out, meaning place things for use, place things for use. I set out a bowl, spoon and mug on the table. I set out a bowl, spoon and mug on the table. Clear off, clear off, meaning remove things, remove things. I clear off the table before I eat. I clear off the table before I eat. Clean up, clean up, meaning tidy by removing mess, tidy by removing mess. I always clean up the kitchen after breakfast. I always clean up the kitchen after breakfast. Check out, check out, meaning take a quick look, take a quick look. I check out the weather before choosing my coat. I check out the weather before choosing my coat. Write down, write down, meaning record in writing, record in writing. I write down my to-do list on a sticky note. I write down my to-do list on a sticky note. Look for, meaning search for something, search for something. I look for my keys every single morning. I look for my keys every single morning. Pack up, meaning gather your things, gather your things. I pack up my bag before heading out. I pack up my bag before heading out. Head out, meaning leave a place, leave a place. I head out by 8 a.m. on weekdays. I head out by 8 a.m. on weekdays. Drop off, meaning take something, someone, somewhere. Take something, someone, somewhere. I drop off my little brother at school on the way. I drop off my little brother at school on the way. Fill up, meaning make something full, make something full. I fill up my water bottle before leaving. I fill up my water bottle before leaving. Jot down, meaning write quickly, write quickly. I jot down a few ideas during breakfast. I jot down a few ideas during breakfast. Think over, meaning consider something, consider something. I think over my priorities for the day while brushing. I think over my priorities for the day while brushing. Go over, meaning review mentally, review mentally. I go over my schedule in my head before leaving. I go over my schedule in my head before leaving. Calm down. Calm down. Meaning, relax after stress. Relax after stress. I take a few minutes to calm down before a busy day. I take a few minutes to calm down before a busy day. Gear up. Gear up. Meaning, prepare mentally. Prepare mentally. I gear up for a long day at work. I gear up for a long day at work. Zone out. Zone out. Meaning, lose focus. Lose focus. I often zone out while staring at the mirror. I often zone out while staring at the mirror. Head back. Head back. Meaning, return. Return. If I forget something, I head back home to grab it. If I forget something, I head back home to grab it. Work out. Work out. Meaning, exercise to improve fitness. Exercise to improve fitness. I try to work out for at least 20 minutes every morning. I try to work out for at least 20 minutes every morning. Sleep through. Sleep through. Meaning, remain asleep despite noise or alarm. Remain asleep despite noise or alarm. I accidentally sleep through my alarm at least once a week. I accidentally sleep through my alarm at least once a week. Drag out. Drag out. Meaning, make something last longer than necessary. Make something last longer than necessary. I tend to drag out my breakfast when I don't feel like working. I tend to drag out my breakfast when I don't feel like working. Shake off. Shake off. Meaning, get rid of something unwanted. Get rid of something unwanted. I shake off my sleepiness with a splash of cold water. I shake off my sleepiness with a splash of cold water. Check in on. Check in on. Meaning, see if someone or something is okay. See if someone or something is okay. I check in on my dog before I leave for work. I check in on my dog before I leave for work.